So if you've got some ordinary car and really need to upgrade the interior of it, like you want to use the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on the go, but your car comes with all those manual controls and nodes, then I've got something for you. This is portable car screen from Autocast. It do almost everything you need from a car screen. Well, let's start with the unboxing first. So it comes in this nice packaging, so you get all these main features in the screen like CarPlay, Android Auto and much more. The packaging is really nice and safe, as it should be for a sensitive product like screen. We get our screen here on the top. As you can see, the quality feels super solid. We get this adjustable back leg here. Then we have some ports here for SD card, USB-C and audio jack. The size of screen is 11.4 inches, which is more than enough for a car. Again, the quality of this plastic and screen is actually great, and the product feels a bit heavy as well. Then in the box we get this cable to connect the screen with car and use it with full functionality, and we also do have an aux cable too. Now let's move into the car and install it. So we have this red tape at the bottom which we're gonna take off. It's really powerful, so definitely not gonna fall off on the speed breakers or any bumps. So just make sure to put it on the right place at the first time, or else it won't get off easily. Once it's placed successfully, we are ready to use it. So here is the setup. It's pretty simple. You just have to keep pressing the next buttons, and here we are on the home screen. Just make sure to remove the protective film from the screen for better brightness. So we're gonna connect the Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay, and then let's check it out. As you can see here, I have connected the CarPlay successfully and it's ready to use now. And the music was really loud and clear without any delay. Yeah, that's definitely not something which this car screen is controlling, but yeah, the delay was almost equal to zero. The brightness was pretty good, but the screen would have been much better if it was more anti-reflective. Right now you can see the clear reflections of the cameraman in it. And we have almost all the apps here like YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, TikTok. So let's open YouTube. The internet is not connected, but yeah, it was really smooth opening. Then in settings, we're gonna connect the Wi-Fi and try again. Okay, let's see now. The internet is bit slow here because I was sitting outside of my house in car, so signals were weak, but yeah, the overall experience was great. The YouTube was not that much fast when opening. As you can see, it felt a bit laggy, and even when we are using it. So right now we are going to play a 1080p video on it, as this is a 1080p LCD and has support to play at this resolution. As you can see here, the colors, the sharpness, each and everything is really incredible. The quality is awesome. I mean, you can really use it for watching Netflix shows or any movies on the go. Yeah, the screen is a bit laggy, but it won't affect watching movies on Netflix or stuff like that. You can use the maps for directions on it smoothly and play your music on the other side, and it will be running all great. Now I am starting some directions on map using phone, and you can see they are quickly being updated on the screen. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now my final thoughts are that the price range for this screen is pretty good, but yeah, that lag could have been improved a little bit. But if you're not disturbed by that, then definitely you should go for this one. The link to buy it is in the description below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.